On behalf of Lake County Euros, we'd like to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. As a small token of my appreciation to all the hard work that these guys have put onto your vehicles, they are here every single day. I'm not going to say slaving away, but basically slaving away, because the amount of work that these cars require and the amount of knowledge that you need to remove the correct part and not break other parts around it, it is a talent. So I do want to say thank you to everybody that works here. And with that being said, we have a small little surprise for everybody. We have rented out the Firm racetrack. If anybody knows what the Firm racetrack is, it is up north, 20 minutes north of Gainesville. So as a little thank you from Lake County Euros to the team, we are going to be at the track, and we have a private track rental. The whole track is ours. We're bringing some of our customers with us that have kind of purpose-built race cars, and we are just going to have a really good time. So I hope you enjoy this as much as the guys will enjoy the track. And again, from Lake County Euros, we'd love to wish you a very Merry Christmas.
fuck is it? How big is it for what? Oh, damn. Oh. So why you saw it? Why you lost power?
I lost power, EPC K line on and everything as soon as I came around the corner. And I was like, no throttle, no throttle. Okay, check engine light, boom, EPC. And I was like, oh shit, I can't go anywhere. So I pulled over to the grass, and as soon as I pulled over the grass, I'm assuming the exhaust got so hot, it caught the grass on fire and caught everything else on fire.
Because you called the new box that I just put it back there.
Oh yeah, that UVAP box is toasted.
Yeah, your bump is here, your fuel tank is right here. Yeah. Like right here next to each other. I'm just glad you didn't call your fuel tank apart.
Yeah. Remember, Taylor, if I don't need it, I got AAA up to 100 miles.
Oh,
Hey,
holy
Where, from which one?
another 100.
Okay. Oh! Hey, you got no belt.
Oh,
Bro, your belt.
You caught on fire on the engine. Look.
Here's the belt right here. Look.
Oh,
Taylor,
my
there's the belt.
God. Taylor said,
Ricky, didn't you have the serpentine belt off?
Ricky
was the last one with the supercharger off.
Taylor, yeah. Hey, this is not gonna be cheap.
That's the favorite words to hear for car enthusiasts.
Oh my God.